40. Acid. Ah, boys.
Is that more shit there?
Oh my. The
Oh, look at that. It's fucking green.
Oh, I'm getting the
and
kettle.
then this one's pink.
I can't deal with that.
And then look at that. It's like he fucking got sick and shit all over your car. Explain to people what's going on. So we had 3 containers at the same time, and we've spent the last 2 weeks packing 360 orders. Or
Yeah, we're down to 40 something, I think.
we're down to 40 something orders, but we haven't really filmed anything or done anything in the last few weeks except for just pack orders. Pack. We have nightmares.
Yeah, and we have a 20-foot arriving Friday.
Full of engines.
Yeah, there's a 40-foot landing in Dublin at some stage this week. So we'll get that next week.
Yeah, so we have another 40-foot landing, and so the warehouse was, everything was up to here,
We couldn't even fucking move.
but we've been packing. Because before we used to have the cars that were here, and then everything came up this way, but because we have all that space down the back now, there's still, easily over a 40-foot left of stuff.
40-foot and a half.
We haven't got a chance to put that on the shelves or anything like that, because we're just trying to get through orders that have been sitting around for the last... People have been waiting over a year for stuff, so it's been absolutely insane. Here's an indication of how many tyres poor Adrian had to take off. Over 360 orders down to 40 something.
Well, we're getting there slowly. Another week, we should be clear.
And there's so many exciting things happening, like bent wheels, just the joys of selling used wheels. COVID has also, messed things up because all 3 containers landed at the same time, with another one landing next week, so we really have no breathing space whatsoever. We said we'd just stop for a few minutes and try on some cool wheels onto Sean's JZX100.
Last.
They look like 18 by 9.5 bronze T37s in the Holy Grail sizes and Holy Grail prices. What are they up for now? Are they 4,000? 4,100 euros. COVID has also raised the prices on everything significantly. But we just said for a minute, hey Sean, why don't you get away from answering those phone calls and talking to people on the internet and try some wheels that you can't afford onto your car to plummet yourself into a further pit of depression and then get back to work. Now you watch the old bird. I don't even know what even happened there. It's like the bird shit and puked.
Just came straight off. It was like fibres, I don't know, it's fucking weird.
Poor Sean has been at the receiving end of, hey, where's my order?
Hey, any update, guys? We'll offer them up.
Offer him up, lad.
Offer them up now, lad.
Strong cash will lift today.
Just testing the waters.
Just testing the water.
I can't even fucking lift them. Jesus.
Ah,
That's a no.
What is it, 15 now?
fuck me, man.
That won't camber. And then he's got fenders on his as well, so on the front anyway, like. It's on the arch.
Let's just look from a side profile
The
and
profile's good.
pretend it fits. Yeah, you can. Yeah, looks like a old drag car or something. That's nice.
It's a nice side. Thank God they don't fit.
Yeah, now
I don't need them specs, and that's just like, yeah.
that's grand. At least you know. Now they can go back into the pit of darkness. Leaf? JDM bugs being released into the Irish ecosystem. Sorry, we got distracted by the silverfish that we thought was from Japan because he looked like a little Japanese character, but he was just an Irish silverfish.
From Wicklow.
The oldest living insects on planet Earth. From Wicklow, and we killed them for no reason. Hey, they're gorgeous.
Wow.
That is a great look.
She takes it well.
She takes the R34 GTR wheel well. So she does. And she takes the blue tints well, lad. No centre cap. Delicious.
Yeah, that's the only way. As you should work.
Oh, Jesus. Perfect fitment. No wonder the lads loved running them when they were fucking 50 euro wheels. Anything else you'd like to try on, no?
Yeah, I think it's best that we don't.
The P1 is definitely copied off of an R34 GTR standard wheel. It has to be. It didn't exist before.
But did it not?
No. So our plan is make as much space as possible for the next 2 containers, which are on the way.
Yeah.
Wild.
Fucking. It's gonna be like this till Christmas, like.
I know, because there's another
Next 2 containers.
2 containers.
So we're just gonna be trying to clear it out.
Yeah.
Till Christmas. Like.
I even have stuff that I'm waiting on since last November.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. No, I've got a few things that were at the very back of the warehouse in Japan that I'm still waiting on from the 20th of November, so. And I'm sure there's some people that are like that as well, but it is what it is.
Yeah, it's not really our fault.
No.
There's such a backlog, and I'm sure the lads in Japan were just trying to clear out.
Yeah, because they were renting a second warehouse and they wanted to empty that out as quickly as possible. Back to work. Did you enjoy that, Sean?
That was good.
Our little quick 20-minute break from...
It's fine.
Yeah,
That's fine. Happy out though. You need to sort out the fitment.
yeah. Ah, look. She's a work in progress, lad.
We'll get there.
We'll get there in the end. Now it's back to work for all of us.
Yeah.